Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. I would also like to say thank you to everyone that subscribed. It means so much, and welcome to the family, guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtained this half up half down hairstyle. All the products that I use, I will leave it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave that in the comment section, and if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Soldier boy, tell.
I'm firstly going to divide my hair into two equal sections. Next, I will add some Pound Straight conditioner, and then I will do my hair with a platinum airbrush.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. I can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
Next, I'm going to flat iron my hair. I was going to do the chasing method, but then I was like, nah, I'm too lazy. Then I just did it this way. But if you prefer doing the chasing method, by all means, go ahead.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. I can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. We don't really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Next, I will be sectioning off 2 pieces of hair that I will be using for my bangs. I know it ain't straight, but don't worry, ik ga het namaken.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do.
Next, I will just tie my hair up to get it out of the way.
Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
This hair just gave me so much problems today. My edges were like,
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
now I will form my bun and I will use bobby pins to tie it down. Thereafter, I will flat iron my bangs.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Here's the final look, guys. Ooh, this came out so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.